Hi class, and welcome to week 2. First and foremost, I hope everyone survived Hurricane Irma with few or no difficulties for you or your loved ones. Please let me know if you were adversely affected so we can figure out how best to help you keep up your pace in this course. Last week, we learned some of the basic topics studied by each type of social scientist and got to step into their shoes by applying our insights to advertisements for many different types of products. This week, we will go a step further by delving into the differences between an objective observation, which is based on things that we can see, touch, hear, etc., and a subjective one, which can be based on our thoughts, opinions, or emotions. Although both are valuable, objective observations are truly at the heart of most scientific research, so it's important to be familiar with that concept. We will also discuss the importance of research ethics, and tie what we've learned about social science research into your own life. Finally, you'll submit your final draft of the advertisement comparison template, which you started in week 1. Always look at the rubrics available for each discussion board post and assignment. These rubrics tell you exactly what you need to do to earn the greatest possible number of points for your work. For example, for this week's discussion board assignment, you are not just supposed to respond to what your peers wrote in the discussion board from week 1 with personal anecdotes or your general thoughts on their questions. Your responses also have to highlight at least one specific question asked by the original poster and discuss the impact of social science on everyday life, although not necessarily your own life, and the use of social science concepts. Additionally, for Project 1, which is due at the end of the week, I hope you will take the time to read over my comments that I left in the rubrics attached to your activity 1-3-1, the advertisement comparison template draft. I noticed that some of you are focusing on what is going on in the ads or details about the products and how it relates to what you observed, rather than thinking about how individuals, groups, and cultures are portrayed in the ads. Don't get caught up in the plot that the ad's characters are acting out. Instead, think critically about the individuals in the ad are being shown, and perhaps you could even ask yourself if you would want to be portrayed in the same light. Then, the second step is to ask questions about those portrayals or representations that are related to social science topics. Again, let the rubric be your guide, and also check out the advertisement comparison exemplar, which shows you the kinds of questions and statements that would earn a perfect score for this assignment. Both of those documents can be accessed directly from the same page where you will submit your completed template. That's it for this week. Keep up the pace, and as always, don't hesitate to reach out to me with any comments or questions.